How to lower resolution on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here click on picture. So after click on picture, click on this edit icon. So after click on this edit icon, click on this three dot icon and click on resize. So you will select 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%. So I will select 20% and click on done and click on again this three dot icon and click on settings. You will see. So after the process, go back and click on save copy. So after click on save copy, so you will see your save copy is here. So you will see 600 you will. So after watching, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can lower resolution on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.